Now for some fun and unusual stories, let me go to my Young Turks co-host, Anna Kasparian. Anna, I understand Charlie Sheen's been in the news a little bit lately.
Absolutely. Two big stories in the news today. First of all, the anti-Gaddafi protests in Libya, and of course, Charlie Sheen. So the British newspaper The Guardian put together this awesome quiz. Whose line is it, Charlie Sheen or Colonel Gaddafi? It's amazing. We pulled some of the toughest questions, and we'll see how many you get right, Mr. Uygur.
All right, now I don't know the answer to this, so I'm prepared to get embarrassed right here on live television. Go ahead, Anna.
All right, let's start with question one. Who said this? I have defeated this earthworm with my words. Imagine what I would have done with my fire-breathing fists.
That is so crazy, it has to be Charlie Sheen.
Good job, you're absolutely correct.
All right.
Let's go to question number two. Who said this? Life without dignity is worthless.
The problem is these are all so crazy. I think they're all Charlie Sheen. Charlie Sheen.
Wrong again, Bob. That was actually Gaddafi.
All right.
All right, let's go to question number three. These resentments, they are the rocket fuel that lives in the tip of my saber.
That's gotta be Charlie Sheen.
You're correct, Charlie Sheen.
All right, not bad. I went two for three. Not bad.
Yeah, you didn't do too bad. I'm actually pretty surprised. But you're a newsman. You should know all this stuff anyway.
I know. You're right. You're right. All right, Anna Kasparian from the Young Turks, thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate it. That was a fun little quiz. And of course, you can catch Anna and I every single day on theyoungturks.com.